Okay, sweetheart, I'm gonna relax now. She's finally gone. Now I'm gonna play video games. Even my dog wouldn't see us, 'cause yeah, it's so cool. Woof, 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 woof. Okay. So funny, so cool. I just see Tawati, Matthew, Okata, Natia, de Gami, Solito, Oki, Umati, Agoni, Gomasuni, and no one I know what I say, Umakia, Ukia, Hase, Hatia, Dama, Okay, must see. Okay, blah blah blah. Guess what do you do with it? I'll go name it out. I can say do with it. I got a minute with the way I was to see. Oh. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, mana? Oh. And oh. What? Oh, hello, puppy. What are you doing here? Did you go and went upstairs? Did I just leave? Did I let him go to the secret room? That's strange. He can talk now. I finally talk now. Yeah! No, I pick up into the start. No, he's finally talk. I'm not gonna tell him. No. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm finally here. Why? I'm gonna go to his room and I'm gonna go his room, go my room, and hide. Oh, this is a hiding spot. Wait, I can't put her. That's
Qué
strange.
bonita está tiquita, mami.
Bruh. Oh no. It wouldn't go under the bed. How am I gonna? Okay. Okay, finally, I'm not gonna tell him. He's not gonna notice. Oh, my baby. Ooh, that looks so cool. I love that. Okay, already. Take a break. She's here. She wouldn't notice my dog. Oh. Oh. Huh. Did you hide somewhere? Did you hide your dog? Yes, he's playing inside. What are you doing?